Hi my peeps, what's up my good peeps? How are you doing today? I am blessed. I am giving God thanks. But today guys, in my kitchen, this is the juice, the punch. This is guys, the Magnum Punch, Jamaican Magnum Punch. Good for your body overall. This drink guys, you have to try it and then you're gonna come and thank me after. This is the drink for men, ladies, people who are sick, who are weak. You just need energy, you just need a vibe, you just need life. And guys, I'm gonna tell you what I have and what I'm gonna make in this. My raw peanut, I'm gonna use about half cup and I'm gonna soak it for maybe 30 minutes or so. And guys, I already show you my video of how I made my Irish moss, and this is the secret ingredients in my Magnum Punch. It gives you vitality, stamina to do the work all day. Guys, this drink not gonna give you 30 minutes work. It's not gonna give you 1 hour work. It's not gonna give you 2 hours. Guys, this drink will last you the whole day. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, up to 12 hours, even 24 hours. Add some almond milk, and this is nutriment. It is the same, if you're from Jamaica, it's the same as Suppligent. This just to help give the body, you know, the body and the richness. Guys, if you're from Jamaica, you will know what I'm talking about. The stamina back, the strong up all the men and the ladies all around. And guys, to top that off, I'm gonna add a dragon stout, a real Jamaican dragon stout. I'm gonna add some milk, sweetened condensed milk. You're gonna have a nutmeg. I have my good old little grater here. I'm gonna grate it. You can use the ready-made one if you want. A little bit of rose water just for taste, and a little bit of vanilla for taste as well. And my spice, I'm just gonna use some good old cinnamon. I'm gonna use 1 ripe banana, guys, and maybe about half bottle or so of water. And guys, that's it right there. And I'm gonna serve it over some crushed ice. Guys, this is the real deal. If you have never watched my channel before, this is the time to like and subscribe. This is the drink for ladies, for men, people who are sick, old people who have arthritis pain, back pain, bone is good for joint pain. Guys, if you are taking medication, you can up the dragon stout and go ahead and make it just like that. Good for you, good for your health. But if you want to have some, you know, oops to it, you put some dragon, or you can even put a Guinness too. It's about a cup. I use a cup of peanut. You can use a cup or about a cup and a half. And to that, I'm gonna add the water and the same peanuts to my blender. And then I'm just gonna use the remaining water. Not too much. About a 3/4 bottle or a bottle, depends on the size blender you have. And guys, I'm gonna blend this right away. So guys, that should do it. You wanna blend it till there's nothing to blend. All creamy and nice. And guys, to this I'm gonna add a little almond milk, not too much. I'm gonna put about 2 big spoons. my nutrient. I'll just add the rest after because my blender is almost full. So I'm just going to show you how I do it. You add your dragon. You're going to add your good old nutmeg. You're just going to grate some in. A little bit of rose water. Good old vanilla. Vanilla. I'm going to put 2 parts. Smells so good. To that, I'm just going to pop my banana in. So guys, this is my milk, and I'm gonna add about half can. You can put all of it, depends on the amount you make. I'm gonna put half for now, then we'll see about later. Woo. So there it is, guys. There you have it, and I'm gonna show you my Jamaican Magnum Punch. Have a look at that, guys. Very rich and nice. And all you have to do is just pour it out. Woo! Look at that, guys. Woo! Very rich, very creamy. Swirl it around. Woo! Guys, it smells so good. Ooh. I'm gonna show you a secret. You can top it off, and you can go ahead and put a little cup or a little taste of rum in it, and you can just mix it around, or you can tip it in there. It's like a secret ingredient. It's a secret, guys. Don't tell no one I just did that. And you're just gonna twirl it around. You don't have to put that in it, guys. I'm just telling you, this is just a little secret. You can just pop that bad boy in there. No one will notice. Only you will feel it, the after effect. But you don't have to put it in. Wife, all wives, husband, tell your other half to try this out. You won't regret it. My Tiona's Brown Sugar Jamaican Magnum Punch. This is good for health-wise, and it's good for fun time. It's good for work, and it is good for relaxing, having a vibe, watching some games, you know, just chilling out with your other half or with some group. Guys, try it out. Jamaican Magnum Punch. It brings back all the energy, the substance your back and your body needs. So Amir, come on over here. Come and tell me how your mama made this Magnum Punch. Amir gonna try this. Come, try it and tell everyone how your mama made this Magnum. Don't drink it all off now, because you don't have any ladies, okay? Remember, don't drink it all at once. How you like it? Good? So guys, you see, I'm not lying. I had my son tried it, and he said it's lovely. I have to limit him, okay? Okay, guys, he can't have too much, but he can drink just a little bit. Thanks for watching, my peeps.